How to fix unable to sign into Grok AI. This tutorial covers the network and app level fixes that clear this up in most cases. First, check your internet connection by swiping down to open the quick panel and switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. From there, open Grok again to see if the login screen loads properly now. After that, if it's still not working, long press the Grok app icon from your home screen or app drawer. At this point, tap App Info. Following this, tap Storage. From here, tap Clear Cache to remove any temporary files that could be causing the sign-in error. At this stage, back out and tap Force Stop instead. Following this, tap OK to confirm. From here, if the issue continues, go back into Storage and tap Clear Data. Keep in mind, clearing data will sign you out of any saved session completely, so make sure you know your login details before continuing, and confirm when prompted. At this stage, scroll down within App Info and tap App Details in Store to check if an update is available, and install it if there is one. Following this, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart to fully refresh your device. From here, open Grok and attempt to sign in again to check if the error is gone. That's how you fix unable to sign into Grok AI. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.